Welcome back. Our guests today are here from Long Home Products. Katie DePaula, fourth generation at Long Home Products, a family-owned business, and David Smith, a baths product manager at Long. Thanks for joining us today, guys.
Thank you so much for having us.
Today we're going to talk about baths and showers, which I'm very excited about because I need help in this exact department. I bought a condo last year. I have to redo the bathroom at some point, and I have no idea where to start.
Yeah, well, first of all, congrats on your condo, and congrats on actually thinking about making some changes to your bathroom. Your bath or shower, you don't realize it, right? But we spend so much time in that space. We start our days there, we end our days there. And it really can be an indicator of how we feel about our entire home.
Absolutely. So when I'm thinking about updating, I know you guys have so many different kinds of accessories, but you also do something different that not a lot of places do.
Yeah, when it comes to your bathroom, you have a lot of options. Do you want to walk us through that?
Yeah, I'd love to. There really are so many different options out there. There's tile and natural stone, which require maintenance like resealing and grouting. There's also liners and covers, but in reality, all you're really doing is just covering up mold and mildew, which can be pre-existing.
Yeah.
Long Baths uses an acrylic blend, which has antimicrobials in it, which mitigates a lot of the maintenance involved. Our install process really starts with a blank slate. We strip everything down, replace any plumbing behind the walls, put up plywood for seats and grab bars, and we also use a moisture-resistant drywall, which will prevent any mold or mildew in the future.
That's awesome. And I know you have so many options too when it comes to just looking really good.
Yeah. You want to get the high-end look that you're going for, but you want it to be at a price that makes sense for you and your family.
Yes.
So that's really important to us too.
Absolutely. And all of our showers are customizable. We offer a multitude of accessories, grab bars, seats, shelving, even shelves that you can put inside the studs. That's what's called a recess shelf, and it looks really, really beautiful.
Wow, I love that. So for anybody that's interested, maybe they need help redoing their bathroom like me, where can they go?
You want to go to longbaths.com and we'll come out and help you.
Amazing. Thank you guys so much.